Hi everyone, my name is Wes Higbee and welcome to my course, Getting Started with Ansible. If you are tired of manually configuring applications, servers, networks, you name it, or maybe you're tired of writing convoluted shell scripts, and instead you'd rather just describe what you would like your environments to look like and let a tool help you configure them automatically. If that's the case, then you've come to the right place. In this course, we are going to cover, first, how to install Ansible and use the Ansible Ad-hoc command, composing and executing playbooks with the Ansible playbook command, using inventories to manage multiple machines, using connection plugins and the Ansible pull command, and last, how to use Ansible Galaxy to reuse and learn from the contributions of other people. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use Ansible to configure environments so that you can tell it what you want and it can do the heavy lifting for you. Before beginning with this course, you should be familiar with configuring applications or machines or networks, as I mentioned, so that you can relate to why a tool like Ansible might be beneficial in your own work. From here, you will be prepared to dive into more complicated aspects of Ansible, both what's available in the core of Ansible and what is available via the community around Ansible. I hope you are ready to join me on this journey to learn Ansible with the Getting Started with Ansible course at Pluralsight.